What a great way to proclaim the goodness of God. I play the song in the key of A, but I use Capo on the 2nd fret so I can use G chords, the family of G chords. I've played in A as well, it works great, but for me I prefer the way I can simplify my playing with the family of G chords. So using G inversion, so my C is going to become that, then there's my D sus, there's my E minor. So it just, you see, it's a minimalist approach and it sounds good. The chords kind of gel together. And I would just recommend practicing these inversions, of course. Now, of course, you could play "Oh, your mercy never fails me" and so forth. With standard chords would still sound beautiful. But try these inversions of G just to see how there's harmony you add to the different chords. And it's ease of playing as well. The song is very gentle, so I would recommend playing verse 1 with a lesser style strumming, maybe just some rakes. Love you, Lord, down, down. Oh, your mercy never, just down, down, down. And here or there, you can add a bit more. As the song goes, especially to the chorus, one adds more strumming. At the very end, the last chorus, I do a very sparse way of singing that verse so that it's not all the same all the time. So just to demonstrate, all my life you have been faithful. See how there's two strums there. The C, then wait a while, and only play the next chord. You just do it for a little bit and then you come in again with the strumming, and that way you add variance to the song so it's not all the same all the time. Keep things interesting. There's a little line you can use where it says in the chorus, with every breath that I am able. So it's got the G, F sharp, E, but the chords is G, D, E minor. So I could play just chords, just space that, or combine them. The way I get around that is I play the G chord, but I emphasize my bass strings. And then when it gets to D over F sharp, because it's so quick, bum, 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 I play just the F sharp note. I use my thumb, you can use a finger. But I don't play the D below it, I just goes G, passing note, E minor. So my D over F sharp, I only play the F sharp bass note. And then you've got like a little melodic line. So there's other songs where I do the same thing and I explain them in other songs. So check out my channel, lots of songs where I explain how to use inversions of chords and play melodic lines on the songs like this one here. Hope it helps you. Happy guitaring.